Just look at those gorgeous, syrupy, golden swirls of pure happiness. My most favorite instant jalebi recipe. Let's do it. Let's prepare the sugar syrup. To 1 cup of water, I add 2 cups of sugar. Let it all dissolve together till we achieve a slightly sticky consistency. Now I'm going to add the orange color, or you can add saffron if you wish. We'll set this aside. To make the jalebi batter, here I've taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour, to which I've added baking soda and a teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. With a little bit of water, I'm going to make this into a flowy consistency that you can see. Not too thick and not too thin. Pour the batter into a squeezy bottle or a piping bag, and then squeeze the batter into the hot oil in a spiral or a pretzel shape. Fry them until they turn golden brown, like you can see here. Remove the fried jalebis and soak them or immerse them in the sugar syrup for a minute or two, allowing them to absorb the sweetness. Just look at that crispiness and juiciness of these instant jalebis. I'm sure you're going to love these ones. Thanks for watching the recipe and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.